For people who have never invested before, it might be a difficult task, but with the correct tactics and direction, it can be a potent weapon for reaching financial success. Today in this video, we are going to talk about 3 simple rules for beginners to invest like Warren Buffett. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more. These rules will provide a solid foundation for anyone looking to start investing and set themselves up for long-term financial success. Whether you are just starting your career or looking to diversify your existing portfolio, these principles can help guide your investment decisions and maximize your potential returns. So if you're ready to start your journey as an investor, let's dive in and explore Warren Buffett's 3 simple rules for investing as a beginner. Rule number 1: the importance of starting early. It's never too early to start, and starting early is essential to successful investment. The strength of compound interest implies that the potential returns of your investment are larger the sooner you start investing and the more time your money has to grow. For instance, if you begin investing $100 each month at the age of 25 and receive an average yearly return of 8%, you would have amassed almost $300,000 by the time you are 65. On the other hand, if you invest the same amount each month, if you wait until age 35 to begin investing, you would only have accumulated little more than $200,000 by age 65. This demonstrates the important influence that getting started early may have on the long-term development of your investment. Starting early can not only help you attain your financial objectives more quickly, but it also has the potential to yield larger profits. Investing may be a potent tool to help you get there, whether you are saving for retirement, putting a down payment for a house, or creating a financial safety net for the future. You may take advantage of compound interest and possibly achieve your objectives more rapidly by starting early and investing regularly. Rule number 2: the importance of investing in what you know. A fundamental rule that Warren Buffett has adhered to throughout his career is investing in what you know. Before making any choices, he meticulously researches businesses and sectors so that he may make well-informed investment judgments that are in line with his knowledge and experience. For novices who might not yet be familiar with the numerous industries and businesses they could potentially invest in, this strategy can be extremely crucial. You may feel more confidence in your investment choices and improve your chances of success by investing in businesses and sectors you are familiar with. Consider the scenario where you have experience in technology and are knowledgeable about the trends and problems that the sector is facing. In such instance, you could be more inclined to decide to invest in tech businesses after doing your research. However, if you are unfamiliar with or uninterested in a certain business, you may be more prone to make mistakes or fail to notice crucial details that might have an influence on your investment. Rule number 3: the importance of keeping your costs low. Keeping your costs down is a crucial factor to take into account when developing an investment plan, and Warren Buffett has consistently adhered to this philosophy. Fees and expenditures such as trading charges, mutual fund costs, and brokerage fees can eat away at your investment returns, slowing the expansion of your portfolio as a whole. It's crucial to keep these expenses to a minimum whenever feasible as a result. One way to keep your costs low is to choose low-cost investment options, such as index funds. Index funds track a particular market index, such as the S&P 500, and offer a diverse portfolio of investments at a low cost. You can reduce your expenses by choosing index funds and potentially increase your returns. Buffett recommends buying and holding investments in low-fee S&P 500 index funds for most investors not interested in doing the work to pick individual company stocks at the right price levels. Instead, it's often more beneficial to take a long-term approach and build a diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial goals if you're not interested in active investing, trading, or trend following. The biggest overlooked expense to investors is taxes. Buffett optimizes his company and portfolio to minimize taxes through the long-term holding of positions, not paying out a dividend through Berkshire Hathaway, and holding stock positions to allow them to compound gains over decades with no capital gain taxes in his personal portfolio and his corporate portfolio. Investors can use tax-deferred 401ks and IRAs to do the same to keep tax obligations low and allow capital to compound pre-tax. Starting early is important for any investor, but it's especially crucial for beginners. By starting early, you can take advantage of the power of compound interest, which is the concept that the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow and the greater the potential returns on your investment.